Hello friends, this time I come with a new topic. Today lots of people want to learn to hack. But as we know, hacking is illegal, so it's hard to find a way to learn to hack. But there are some networks online which give tutorials on hacking. In this video, we will tell you the best websites to learn ethical hacking in a short time. Before begin, white hat and black hat hacking. There are two forms of hacking, white hat and black hat. White hat hackers are into ethical hacking, which is legal. Call themselves ethical hackers, in that they find vulnerabilities in an effort to make systems and applications more secure. However, there's a whole other community of hackers, black hat hackers, who find vulnerabilities only to exploit them as much as possible. Now that you know what sort of community you may be entering, let's get on with a list of top sites where you can learn to hack. Hacking Tutorial. Well, Hacking Tutorial is one of the best and top-rated websites on the list, which explains vulnerabilities. You will find several articles on vulnerabilities found on software. A list of resources that will teach you some in-depth tricks to hacking various apps, operating systems, and devices. The articles are usually short, and the grammar isn't always perfect. However, many include highly technical, step-by-step instructions on how to do the task at hand. Not only that, but the site also lets you download tutorials in PDF format for offline viewing. Hackaday. As the name indicates, Hackaday is also another best site to learn ethical hacking on the internet. This website definitely offers an amazing library of information for anyone looking for specific categories like cell phones, GPS or digital cameras and much more. Posts include innovative projects, including robotic builds, modifying vintage electronics and gadgets, and much more. They also have another domain called hackaday.io, where they host reader-submitted engineering projects. These include some really cool projects and innovative designs. This site redefines the meaning of the word hacking by helping you learn how to hack electronic devices, like a Game Boy or a digital camera, and completely modifying it. Hack in the Box. Hack in the Box has really changed significantly over the years. The site is actually made up of 4 major subdomains, each with a specific purpose, meant to serve hackers around the world. The site remains focused on security and ethical hacking. The news and magazine sections showcase frequently updated content, specifically for hackers or those learning to hack. This site is less of a place to go for actually technical hacking tips, and more of a daily spot to get your latest fix of online hacking news. Hack in the Box is a great resource for news, for anyone interested in the latest gossip throughout the international hacking community. Hack This Site. Hack This Site is one of the coolest, free programmer training sites, where you can learn how to hack. Just accept one of the challenges along the left navigation pane of the main page. The site designers offer various missions. This is where you need to figure out the vulnerability of a site, and then attempt to use your newfound hacking skills to hack the web page. Missions include basic, realistic, application, programming and many others. If you're able to figure out how to properly hack any of the most difficult missions on this site, then you've definitely earned the title of hacker. Cybrary. If you're looking to kickstart a career in white hat cybersecurity, Cybrary is a great resource. Cybrary offers certification classes that can prepare you before applying for security certifications in a certain field, ensuring you're ready for course material. Here you will find hundreds of free courses covering areas like Microsoft Server security, doing security assessments, penetration testing, and a collection of CompTIA courses as well. The site includes forums, practice labs, educational resources, and even a job board. Whether you're just starting to consider a cybersecurity career, or you're already in the middle of one, this site is a good one to bookmark. One bonus website for my loving supporters: Exploit Database. Whether you're a white hat or a black hat hacker, the Exploit Database is an important tool in any hacker's tool belt. It's frequently updated with the latest exploits affecting applications, web services, and more. If you're looking to learn more about how past hacks worked and were patched, the papers section of the site is for you. This area includes downloads of magazines that cover many of the biggest exploits to ever hit the world in the past decade. More industries continue to gravitate toward a cloud-based approach. The world keeps moving more of its critical data to the internet. This means the world of hacking and counter-hacking is only going to grow. Cybersecurity is a booming field, and a good one to get into if you're looking for a lucrative, future-proof career. So hope you like this video. All websites link in the description. Please like this video and press the subscribe button for more useful videos. Thank you so much for being here. If this video helped you to find something new, please share with your friends. And if you have any suggestion, please comment so I can improve it.